Okay, so let me show you the components that you'll get with your door if you have an electromagnetic fingerprint code access code. So you'll have a power supply. You'll just feed it from 110 volt. You can wire it any direction you like. And this will go from 110 to 12 volts, and it will wire your magnetic component, your fingerprint, and your electromagnetic. These wires will not be included in your kit because we don't know where you want to put the exit push button on the back. Everything else will be pre-wired. The only thing you'll have to do is plug in the following device into your box, and then it should turn the lights on and it should be ready to go. When you first set it up, any push button that you push, both the exit will always deactivate the lock, but on your device, since this hasn't been set up, if I put my fingerprint, it will unlock it, and it's telling you to add an administrator because anyone can access it. So you can have 3 administrators. Once you add 3 administrators, you can add up to 1,000 users with their own code, with their own fingerprint, and so on. So to add an administrator, you'll push the gear button, hold it,
please register as administrator,
and then you'll put a code. So we'll put, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits at least. It's asking you to enter the password again.
Successful registration. Please register as administrator.
So we have the first administrator. We'll add a second administrator. We'll put a code for that administrator.
Please enter your password again. Successful registration.
That's the
Please
second
register as
administrator.
administrator.
We'll do a third administrator. So the third one can be a fingerprint.
Please take your finger off. Press again. Please take your finger off.
And all the
Press again.
administrators can have a fingerprint.
Please take your finger off. Press again. Please take your finger off. Press again. Please take your finger off. Press again. Successful registration. Please register user.
So now it's asking you can add any user. So in this case, we'll add a user. You can either do another, we'll use my other finger.
Please take your finger off. Press again.
So you
Please
can do a
take your
finger
off.
code.
Press again. Please take your finger off. Press again. Please take your finger off. Press again. Please take your finger off. Press again. Successful registration. Please register user.
So we'll add a card.
Successful registration.
We
Please
can-
register user.
We can add a fob
Successful registration. Please register user.
and say we've added all the users now and the administrators, so we'll push and now we've exited. So now if I want to try the first administrator, so that one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push the bell,
The lock is
and
open.
it open.
The lock is open.
I can do the fingerprint.
The lock is open.
It's
The lock
open.
is open.
If once you go inside the room and you want to exit, you just push
The
this
lock
one
is open.
and it comes out. So say now you want to reset the factory setting in the unit. To do that, you'll need to grab 3 wires, 2 that are connected and a third one, and you'll have to short circuit the device, the power supplies. Once you short circuit, you'll have to put 1 cable on the push, the ground, and the COM, and then that will reset the unit back to its factory setting. So you'll have to do this once you short circuit. You can put it on the 12 volt and on the push, and it'll spark. Once it sparks, you'll go back and put it on the ground, push, and COM. So we'll do that right now. We'll short circuit, so it sparked. We'll go COM, and then we'll go ground and
The lock
push.
is open. The lock is open.
We have to do this a little bit fast because it has to be, it's kind of
The
timely
lock is
manner.
open.
So, okay, there we go. So now
Initializing system.
it's back to factory setting. So again, you can put it in 12 volts and then the push, it will spark. Once it sparks, go right away and do the COM, ground, and push, and you'll see that the lights go 3, 1, 2, and it'll give you that message. So let me now show you the wiring. So from this device, you'll have the following wires that will be connected. The purple wire will come out. I've used the white one in this case, but you have to use the purple wire from the device, and the purple wire will go down to the COM, okay? And then you have the gray button. The gray one will go down to the push. And then you have the black, and the black will go to the, will go to the ground. The red will be your 12 volts. And then your yellow, you'll go back to the push button, and then from there you'll grab 2 cables, a black and a yellow, and the yellow will come to, and it will be connected to the push, which is connected also with the gray. And then you've got the black one that will be connected to the ground. From the electromagnetic, you'll have 2 wires, so you'll have the red and the black. One of them will be connected to the ground, and the other one will be connected to the NC. So that's the wiring for this unit.